Welcome. I'm Donna Burgher, and I'm so happy you're tuning in because I want to keep you in the loop about some upcoming changes. First things first, thank you for tuning in each week. And if you happen to be brand new here right now, this is the first time you're tuning in, hi. I trust that God has guided you here for a reason. Okay, so for the next couple of weeks, there will not be any new episodes. I'm inviting you to take this time to catch up on any episodes you might have missed, or perhaps listen to your favorites again. And if you're desiring a boost of inspiration and motivation, head on over to my YouTube channel and binge watch the YouTube video shorts. With all the negative news, trust me, watching those will lift your spirits. Okay, so over the past few months, I've been reflecting on my podcast and exploring ways to make it even more impactful and inclusive for more listeners. After much prayer and consideration, I've decided to make a few changes that I believe will enrich your spirit-led journey even more. So mark your calendars for July 18th. On that special day, I will release a new episode with a brand new podcast name. Now, while I won't be revealing everything just yet, I promise you that these changes will reflect my commitment to providing content that is inspiring, motivating, and encouraging for you as you walk in faith toward the radiant future of your dreams. Now, rest assured, my core mission remains the same. I will continue to provide practical tools and biblical principles to help you live a happy and blessed life, plus a few extras I will be sharing with you soon. This new direction will open up our community to more people, welcoming anyone who seeks to embrace life with God. I am incredibly grateful for your support and patience as we make this transition. I am confident that you will love the new direction that we're taking. So please stay tuned to stay in the loop. I'm excited to see what God has planned for us as we continue to walk in faith and serve in the ways God is calling us to. So thank you again for being a part of this incredible community. And remember, God has a plan and His timing is always perfect. Until next time, have a happy and blessed day. Bye.